Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Application for Reservation of Name, CNR-1-1.0. This form is used to reserve the name of a corporation, LLC, LP, LLP, or statutory trust forming in the state of Connecticut. You're encouraged to use the assistance of an attorney in completing this form. Step 1. Provide the name and address of the filing party in the heading of the form. Include the city, state, country, and zip code. Step 2. Provide the reserved name in Part 1 of this form. The following rules apply to the name of your company. Number 1. Corporation. The name must include one of these designations: corporation, company, incorporation, society per azione, limited, corp, inc., SPA, or LTD. Number 2, limited liability company. An LLC must contain one of these designations: limited liability company, limited liability CO period, LLC, L period, L period, C period, LTD, liability company, or LTD period, liability CO period. Number 3, limited partnership. An LP needs to contain the term limited partnership within an abbreviation. Number 4, limited liability partnership. An LLP needs to contain one of these designations at the end of its name: limited liability partnership, L period, L period, P period, registered limited liability partnership, or LLP. Number 5, statutory trust designation. This type of company needs to contain one of the following designations: limited liability trust, statutory trust, limited, LLT, L period, L period, T period, or LTD period. Step 3. Provide the name of the applicant in Part 2. Provide their street address in Part 3. Step 4. In Part 4, provide a date when this document was signed. The applicant needs to provide their printed name and signature in the appropriate boxes. Step 5. The filing fee for this form is $60. The applicant needs to make the check payable to the Secretary of State. If the name reservation is approved, the name will be reserved for 120 days. If the company does not form within 120 days, the name reservation will expire. Step 5. If you deliver the form personally, use the following address: Commercial Recording Division, Connecticut Secretary of State, 30 Trinity Street, Hartford, Connecticut, 06106. If you're mailing the form, use the following address: Commercial Recording Division, Connecticut Secretary of State, P.O. Box 150470, Hartford, Connecticut, 06115-0470.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.